नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण अरिथमेटिक्स प्रोग्रेशन मधील पॉइंट सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट nth टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी हे पाहणार आहोत. Sn इज इक्वल टू n डिवाइड बाय 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term, a is equal to first term, d means common difference, d means common difference, a means n means number of term, n is equal to number of term, number of term. Find sum of first n natural number. Apply this formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term, d means common difference, n means number of term, Sn means sum of nth term. Sn means sum of nth term. Practice set 3.3, example number 1. We start practice set 3.3, example number 1. Practice set 3.3. Set 3.3. Example number 1. First term and common difference. First term and common difference. First term and common difference. Common difference of an AP, of an AP are 6 and 3, are 6 and 3 respectively, respectively. Find yes 27 term. Find yes 27 term. Practice set 3.3, example number first term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3. A means 6 means first term and 3 means common difference. Find yes 27 terms. Find yes 27 term. A is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. Yes, find yes 27. Question mark. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket plus n minus 1 into d bracket close. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 bracket plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to yes, n means 27, n means 27 is equal to 27 divided by 2 into bracket 12 plus 27 minus 1 into d. D means value of d is 3. means is equal to 27 divided by 2 into is equal to 27 into 45 is equal to means 27 into 5 is equal to 27 into 45 is equal to example. Value of A is 7, D is 3, S 27, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of n is 27, n is 27, n means 27 divided by 2, 2a means 2 into value of a is 6, value of a is 6, 6 into 2 means 12, 6 into 2 means 12, n means 27 minus 1 into d, value of d is 3, value of d is 3, means 12 plus 27 subtract 1 means 26 into 26 into 3, 23 into 3 means 78 plus 12 is equal to 90, means 12 plus 27 into 1 means 26 into 3 means 78, 78 plus 12 means 90, means 27 divided by 2 into 90, 27 divided by 2 into 90 means 27 divided by 2 means 45, 45. Answer is 90 divided by 2 means 45, 27 into 45 multiplication is 5 into 7 means 35, take carry 3, 10, 30 plus 13, 4 into 7 means 28, take carry 2, 4 into 2 means 8, 8 plus 1 means 10, 5, 1, 12 means 27 into 45 means 1215. This is final answer. Yes, 27 is equal to 1215. Answer is, find the value of A is 6, D is 3, S 27. Yes, 27. Sn is equal to n divided by 2, into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 into value of a is 6 means 12 plus n means 27, subtract 1, d means 3, 27 subtract 3 means 27 subtract 1 means 26, 26 into 3 means 78, 78 plus 12 means 90, 90 divided by 2 means 45, 27 into 45 means 1215. This is final answer. This is final answer. Example number 2. Practice set 3.3, example number 2. Find the sum of first 127 even natural number. Practice set 3.3. Example number 7. Example number 2, sorry. Find the sum of find the sum of find the sum of first 123 even natural number even natural numbers find the first find the sum of first 123 even natural number. पहिल्या 123 समनैसर्गिक संख्यांची बेरीज काढायला सांगितली आपण. फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 123 even natural number. Solution is first even number is 2. even म्हणजे समसंख्या 4 6 8 dash. First even natural number means 2 4 6 8 dash. Value of a is equal to 2. Value of b is equal to 4 subtract 2. 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2. 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2. Find n is equal to 123 terms. Sum of 123 terms. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Means value of n is 123. Yes, n means 123 is equal to value of n 123 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into value of a is 2 plus value of a is 2 plus value of n 123 minus 1 into value of d 4 subtract 2 means 2. 4 subtract 2 means 2. Value of a is 6 2 2 into 2 means yes sum of Sn is equal to yes 123 is equal to 123 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 2 means 4 plus 123 subtract 1 means 122 into 2. 123 divided by 2 into 2 means 4 plus 123 subtract 1 means 122 into common difference is 2. Into common difference is 2. Yes 123 into 100 is equal to 123 divided by 2 into bracket 4 plus 2 into 2 means 4. 2 into 2 means 4. 2 into 1 means 2. Means 123 divided by 2 into addition is 248. 248 divided by 2 means 124. 2 divided by 2 means 1. 4 divided by 2 means 2. 8 divided by 2 means 4. Means 123 into 124. Multiplication is 123 into 124. 4 into 3 means 12. Take carry 1. 8 plus 1 means 9. 4 plus 2 into 3 means 6. 2 into 2 means 4. 2 into 1 means 1 plus 1 into 3 means 3. 2, 1, 2, 5. 9 plus 6 means 15. 5. Take carry 1. 4 plus 4 means 8. 8 plus 1 means 9. 9 plus 2 means 12. Take carry 1. Is equal to 14,252. 4 into 3 means 12 plus 4, 6, 4, 2. Addition is 15,252. Yes, 123. Sum of even natural first 23 term is 15,252. This is final answer. Example number 3. Write this. Final answer is the sum of the sum of first 123 term, 120 first even, first 123 even natural number is equal to 15,252. This is final answer. Write this. Example number 4 is example number 3. Find the sum of even numbers between 1 to 350. Example number 3. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. Find the sum of all even number between 1 and 350. 1 and 350. Solution is 1 and 350 even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, dash 348. Last term. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 4 subtract 2 is equal to 2. Last term Tn is equal to 348. First find value of n. Means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Tn. Last term means Tn is equal to 348. Value of A is 2 plus value of n minus 1 into value of D is 2. Tn is equal to 348. Plus 2 change the side, minus means n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 348. Subtract 2 means n minus 1 is equal into 2 is equal to 348. Subtract 2 means 346. Multiply 2, change the side, divides. First term A is equal to 2. Common difference 4, subtract second term, subtract first term means 2. Last term Tn is equal to 348. Apply this formula. First find value of n. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to Tn means 2 plus n minus 1 into 2, 348, plus 2 change the side, minus means 348 subtract 2 means 346. Multiply 2, change the side, divides, means n minus 1 is equal to 346 divided by 2. 346 divided by 2 means 173. 3 divided by 2 means 1, take carry 1, 14 divided by 2 means 7, 6 divided by 2 means 3. Means n minus 1 is equal to 173. Minus 1 change the side, plus n is equal to 173 plus 1. 73 plus 1 means value of n is equal to 174. Value of n is 174. Find n. Sn. Value of A is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. N is equal to 174. Apply Sn is equal to. Apply this formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 1 into D. Means value of n is 174 is equal to 174 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into value of A is 2 plus value of n is 174 minus 1 into value of D is 2. Value of D is 2. Means yes, 174 is equal to 174 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 means 4 plus 174 subtract 1 means Sn is equal to yes, 174 is equal to 174 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 means 4 plus 173 into 2 means 174 divided by 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 means 6. 2 into 7 means 14. Take carry 1. 2 into 2 2 into 1 means 2, carry 1 means 3. Means 174 divided by 2 into 3 into 2 means 6. 3 into 2 into 7 means 14. Take care 1. 2 into 1 means 2 plus 1 means 3. 346 plus 4 means 350. Means answer is 350 divided by means 175. 174 into 175 multiplication is 5 into 4 means 20, take carry 2. 35 plus 2 means 37, take carry 3. 8 plus 7 into 4 means 28, take carry 2. 49 plus 2 means 51, take carry 5. 7 into 1 means 7, 7 plus 5 means 12, plus 4, 7, 1 is equal to 0, 5, 14, 0, 3. Answer is 5 into 4 means 20, take carry 2. 35 plus 2 means 37, take carry 3. 8. 28, take carry 2. 49 plus 1, 2 means 51. 12. 5, 14, 30,450. Sum of yes 174 is equal to 30,450. Solution is final answer is the sum of all even natural number. The sum of all even natural number between 1 to 1 and 350 is equal to 30,450. This is